We are going to prepare Mediterranean grilled chicken using simple ingredients. Wash your chicken breast and then dry it with paper towel. Clean your meat from the fat and set it aside. Cut your chicken in smaller chunks. For marinade, add juice from 1 lemon. Add about half teaspoon of pepper. Add about half teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of garlic powder, and tablespoon of onion powder. Add about 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Chop fresh sage, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, then chop your herbs together and mix it. Add herbs to marinate. Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Chop your garlic. Mash garlic with your knife so you can get all the juices and enzymes. Mix the marinade, then add oil. Add your chicken and mix so the entire meat is covered with the marinade. Then cover it with plastic foil, sticking to the meat so it doesn't dry out. Let your chicken marinate for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. For the salad, start by chopping your walnut. Transfer your walnuts to a frying pan and lightly toast them. Coarsely chop your arugula. Chop your green onions. Cut your seedless green cucumber to small cubes. Slice your peppers. Cut and peel your avocado. Cut your avocado into cubes. Cut your tomatoes into quarters. Slice onion using mandolin to very thin slices. Cut feta cheese into small cubes. Chop 1 clove of garlic. And lastly, add your toasted walnuts. For the dressing, squeeze in 1 lemon, drizzle with good olive oil. Drizzle with balsamic raspberry vinegar. Generously sprinkle with dried oregano. Preheat your grill and get your chicken ready. A little bonus, sauteed Brussels sprout. And here it is, Mediterranean grilled chicken, Brussels sprouts, and a beautiful salad. And of course, good red wine.